Do your knees ache or feel stiff when you stand up from a chair or climb stairs? You're not alone. Most people accept this as an inevitable part of aging and resign themselves to living with the discomfort. But here's what they don't realize. With the right approach, you can rebuild strength and eliminate knee pain regardless of your age. In this video, I'll show you 5 essential exercises that have helped countless patients build strong, pain-free knees, allowing them to move like they're 20 years younger. But first, let me explain why your knees hurt in the first place. Understanding this will help you fix the problem permanently instead of just managing symptoms. The real story behind knee pain. For decades, doctors viewed knee osteoarthritis as simple wear and tear, like old car tires gradually wearing down until they needed replacement. This outdated thinking left millions of people believing their knee pain was inevitable and irreversible. Here's the revolutionary news. Modern research proves that osteoarthritis isn't just about age. There are multiple factors within your control that can reduce pain and improve joint health. And the most powerful tool at your disposal? Exercise. Instead of thinking about your knees like worn-out car tires, imagine them as plants. With the right care and nutrients, they can actually grow stronger and healthier over time. Exercise provides 3 crucial benefits for your knees. First, it strengthens the muscles around the joint, acting like sturdy stakes supporting a plant. Second, it improves flexibility and range of motion, keeping the surrounding tissues loose and mobile like well-tended soil. Third, it increases blood flow, delivering nutrients and oxygen like water and fertilizer to a thriving garden. Now that you understand why exercise is vital for knee health, let's dive into the 5 essential movements that will help you eliminate pain and regain mobility for good. Exercise 1. Quadriceps strengthening. We're starting with your quadriceps, the large muscle group at the front of your thigh. This muscle is crucial for standing up and climbing stairs. And here's the exciting part. A 2021 study demonstrated that strengthening the quadriceps can improve knee pain and mobility in just 6 weeks. Here's how to perform the quad set exercise. Sit on a bed or flat surface with your legs straight out in front of you. Make sure you're comfortable and fully supported. Place a rolled towel under one knee. Your leg should remain straight, but the towel provides a gentle lift. From here, engage your quadriceps by pressing down into the towel. Imagine you're trying to flatten that towel completely. As you do this, your foot might lift slightly off the surface, which is perfectly normal. The key is holding this contraction for a full 10 seconds, really feeling the muscle activation in your quad. After 10 seconds, slowly relax and return to the resting position. Perform 10 repetitions on each leg, 2 to 3 times daily. The biggest mistake I see is people pressing hard and fast. This isn't effective. Instead, build pressure gradually, hold the contraction, then slowly release. To progress this exercise, try a straight leg raise. Lift your entire straight leg off the bed, hold for 5 seconds, then slowly lower. This targets the same muscles with greater intensity. If you have moderate to severe arthritis, use a larger, softer towel roll. This gentler version works effectively during recovery or with limited mobility. Is it safe to exercise painful joints? This brings up a crucial question. Is it safe to exercise a joint that's already painful? The answer is not only yes, but it's essential. A 2024 clinical guideline on knee osteoarthritis confirmed that mild discomfort during exercise is normal, especially when starting out. This discomfort doesn't indicate damage. It's part of the strengthening process. Remarkably, exercise benefits even severe osteoarthritis, including bone-on-bone conditions. Think of your knee joint like honey. When honey sits undisturbed, it hardens and becomes stiff. But when you warm it and stir it, it becomes smooth and fluid again. Exercise does the same for your joints. It keeps them lubricated and flexible, reducing that creaking, aching sensation. Remember these 2 fundamental truths. Motion is lotion, and rest is rust. The more you move within your tolerance, the better your joints will feel. Exercise 2. Hamstring and glute strengthening. Exercise 1 targeted the front of your knee. Now we're focusing on the back with your hamstrings. crucial muscles for knee bending that help with walking and squatting without pain. The glute bridge is perfect for this. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Place your arms at your sides, palms down for stability. Engage your core by drawing your belly button toward your spine. Press through your heels and lift your hips, squeezing your glutes at the top. You don't need to form a perfect straight line. Just go as high as comfortable. Hold briefly, ensuring your glutes, hamstrings, and core are engaged, then slowly lower back down with control. Complete 2 sets of 10 repetitions. For an easier version, try standing knee curls. Hold onto a chair or counter and bend one knee behind you, bringing your heel toward your buttocks. Repeat 10 times for 3 sets. To increase difficulty, try single-leg glute bridges. Lifting one leg while bridging dramatically increases intensity and engages your hip stabilizers. Exercise 3. The static low-angle squat. This exercise comes from groundbreaking research that identified a powerful method for reducing knee joint inflammation from arthritis. The static low-angle squat is simple but highly effective for relieving pain, improving range of motion, and strengthening your knee joints. Start by leaning against a wall with your back supported, feet shoulder width apart. Take one step forward so you're about 2 feet from the wall, ensuring your shoulders, back, and hips remain against the wall. Slowly slide down the wall, using a nearby chair for support if needed. The research suggests reaching about 90 degrees of knee bending, but slide down only as far as comfortable. Once you reach your lowest point, hold for 10 seconds, then slowly slide back,